What if I told you that you could build a YouTube channel without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without editing a single video by hand? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what YouTube automation is. And today, I'm going to show you how people are scaling their AI businesses while barely lifting a finger. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Let's dive in. Imagine uploading videos while you sleep. Videos that grow your audience, and videos that generate revenue month after month. What if the entire process could run like a machine? That's what automation really means. A self-running business powered by AI. And no, you don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need a system. And that's what we're breaking down today. Stick with me, because I'm about to unlock some secrets. But wait, what exactly is YouTube automation? Let's clear up a huge misconception first. Many people think it's about robots uploading random videos. That's not true. Real YouTube automation is about outsourcing in AI. You build a faceless channel. You use AI to create scripts, voices, and visuals. And you let tools and teams handle the repetitive work, while you focus on scaling. Think about it like this: you don't need to be the actor, director, and editor. You're the business owner. And AI is your workforce. Want an example? Imagine you pick a niche, like finance, motivation, or tech. Instead of sitting down for hours to write scripts, AI can generate your scripts in minutes. Instead of struggling with recording your own voice, AI voices can narrate your entire video. In editing? Forget it. Tools like Pictory AI stitch everything together automatically. The result? A polished, professional video, ready to upload. With zero manual editing. That's the power of automation. And that's why people are scaling so fast. But here's the real trick: you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Successful channels follow proven templates. And then they rinse and repeat. The real secret is consistency. Post daily, or at least multiple times per week. The more content, the faster you grow. But how do you keep up? You guessed it, automation. Because AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't run out of ideas. Curious yet? Here's a question. If one channel makes you $500 a month, what happens if you run 5 channels? Or 10 channels? That's the scalability factor. And automation makes it possible. But let's go deeper. Because you don't just need videos. You need the right kind of videos. Content that people binge watch. Content that grabs attention in the first 5 seconds. Content that keeps people glued until the end. That's where AI tools shine again. They help you test different hooks, different titles, different thumbnails. And they show you what works. Meaning your growth is data-driven, not guesswork. Now let me give you a simple trick. Instead of one long video, break your content into smaller parts. Turn them into shorts. Repurpose everything. Shorts get crazy reach right now. And it's basically free traffic. Which leads to more subscribers. More subscribers equals more revenue. And that cycle runs on autopilot. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because I share AI money-making systems every single week. And you don't want to be the last one to know. Hit subscribe. And smash the bell button. Let's keep going. One of the most powerful parts of YouTube automation is outsourcing. Yes, AI does a lot of the heavy lifting. But sometimes, hiring freelancers makes sense. Think voiceovers, editing, or thumbnails. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy. And guess what? You can pay them with the money your channel generates. It's a self-feeding system. That's how you scale fast. But maybe you're thinking, what about saturation? Isn't YouTube too competitive? The truth is, YouTube is still wide open. Especially in faceless niches. Most people quit too early. Automation prevents burnout. Because you're not doing everything manually. And that's why automation works long-term. Sustainability is the secret. Let me ask you something. Would you rather spend 8 hours editing one video? Or 30 minutes setting up a system that makes 100 videos? That's the mindset shift. Work on the system. Let the system do the work. And once it's set up, you can scale infinitely. That's why automation is the future. And that's why you're here right now. Let's break down a simple roadmap. Step 1. Pick a niche. Step 2. Use AI for scripts. Step 3. Use AI voices or freelancers. Step 4. Use editing automation tools like Pictory AI. Step 5. Upload consistently. Step 6. Optimize titles and thumbnails. Step 7. Scale across multiple channels. That's the blueprint. Simple, repeatable, profitable. But here's the kicker, you don't need massive views to make money. Even small channels can earn with affiliate links. With sponsorships. With memberships. And of course, with ad revenue. Multiple income streams, from videos you didn't manually create. That's passive income. And it's very real. Picture this. You wake up in the morning. You check your phone. And you see new subscribers. New comments. And new revenue. All from videos that were working while you slept. That's not a dream. That's automation. And it's happening right now. So here's another trick. Use analytics like a compass. Don't just post blindly. See what's working. Double down on it. Cut what isn't working. That's how you scale smarter. Not harder. Data plus automation equals domination. Remember that formula. And don't forget, YouTube is evergreen. A video posted today can bring in views for years. Unlike social media posts that disappear in hours. That's why YouTube is the king of automation. And why AI makes it unstoppable. You're not chasing trends. You're building an asset. And assets create wealth. That's the ultimate goal. Now let me address a fear. Some people think automation is cheating. It's not. It's efficiency. You're still delivering value. You're still entertaining, educating, and inspiring. You're just not stuck in the weeds. And that's smart business. Because your time is priceless. And automation respects that. Let me give you another example. Think of Netflix. Once they upload a movie, it streams forever. They don't re-upload it every day. YouTube automation is the same. Upload once, profit forever. With AI making the process effortless. That's why this model is exploding right now. And why you should act fast. Before everyone catches on. So here's the challenge. Don't just watch this video. Take action. Pick your niche tonight. Test one AI script tool. Test one editing tool like Pictory. Upload one video. And see what happens. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates growth. And when that growth compounds, you'll look back and thank yourself. Because you started today. Not next year. Not someday. Today. That's the power of action. And that's the power of automation. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because the next video will go even deeper into scaling your AI-powered business. And trust me, you'll want to see it. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, because I drop these AI money-making tools every week, and you don't want to miss out. Let's wrap this up. We've covered what YouTube automation is, how AI does the heavy lifting, why it scales so fast, and how you can start today. Now the question is, will you take action? Or will you let someone else grab the opportunity? The choice is yours. But remember, every day you wait is another day lost. So what's next? Start small. Build your first channel. Automate your first video. See results for yourself. And then scale. That's how you win. With consistency. With automation. And with AI as your engine. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Subscribe now. Hit the bell. And let's build your automated YouTube empire. I'll see you in the next one.